Hello. No, welcome. My name is Ife Okiche, the owner of Preserve Our Heritage, where our goal is to help you to speak and to understand the Igbo language. Today I have 4 guests on my show, and we're going to be talking about alphabets in the Igbo language. Alphabet is called Mkpụrụ edemede in Igbo, or
Abidi.
It's also called Mkpụrụ Igbo. The alphabet can be known as Abidi, Mkpụrụ edemede, or Mkpụrụ Igbo. Today, we're going to go over the first 3 alphabets. The first alphabet is A, and the word that starts with A is
Aka, hand.
good job. Aka, hand. Another word that starts with A is Aqua, which is egg. Wonderful. Aqua, which is egg. Another word that starts with A is
Azu, fish.
Azu, fish. Wonderful. The next alphabet is B. A word that starts with B is
Bia,
wonderful. Bia, come. Another word that starts with B is
Guru, carry.
Guru, carry. Another word that starts with B is
Bear, which means cut.
Bear, which means cut. The next alphabet is Chi. A word that starts with Chi is Chinchi, which means bedbug. For more updates like this, don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.